Okay guys, so in the last step we learned how to completely solve the white layer. Now we're gonna move on to the second layer, this one. And there are only 4 pieces other than the centers because they're already solved. And this is gonna be the third step. So in order for this to happen, you're gonna need to learn another algorithm just like in the second step. You need to bring this one, it goes here because this is green orange, this is green orange too. So this needs to be here in this spot, not here. So RUR prime U prime, cube rotation to the right, and L prime U prime LU. There you go. It's solved. Now I can do orange blue right now because it's in here. I'm gonna need to take it out of here first with the same algorithm. It's out. Now I can do orange blue, but sometimes it will end up flipped. Now what you do in this case is repeat the algorithm. Now this is out, and now move it here, do it again. RUR prime U prime, cube rotation, L prime U prime LU, and it's solved. This one is flipped, so I'll deal with this one first. And the last one here. One more thing that you can do, you can use this algorithm from the left side. If you know it's gonna end up flipped, I know this is gonna end up flipped like this, but so you can use another algorithm for this. Just do the same algorithm backwards. So move it here, not here, here. And now L prime U prime LU, cube rotation to the left this time, and RUR prime U prime and solved. Now the first 2 layers have been fully completed, but we are still left with the last and most difficult layer to solve. This is what we're gonna try and do in the 4th step, yellow cross. We're not gonna focus on the corners for now, but I'm just gonna solve it for you guys. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please subscribe. It means a lot. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.